Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel all about VLSI. In this video, we are going to start the development of our scoreboard and reference model. And in our previous videos, we have developed our driver class, monitor class, as well as our agent class. Now in this video, we are going to start with the development of our scoreboard. So let us start the development of our scoreboard. So how to develop the scoreboard? Simple class DFF underscore scoreboard, which is extending from UVM underscore scoreboard. So I have created my scoreboard and let me register it UVM underscore component underscore utils DFF underscore scoreboard. I have registered it and new function. And in the now I'm going to declare few variables in my scoreboard. So one is total transactions and one more variable is pass underscore count and fail underscore count. So I'm going to create two variables, pass underscore count and fail underscore count. Now I'm going to declare one method which is known as write method. So the write method, actually it's a analysis port method. So the method will be called inside our monitor and should be implemented inside the target. So our target is our scoreboard. So I'm going to write that write method function write function void write, and in this write method, so this write method is expecting an argument of dff underscore transaction txn, and here whenever we are going to call this write method, what I'm going to do is I'm going to increment my total underscore transactions. Okay, and here we are going to write down the comparison logic tx. Now here what we are going to do is we are going to compare the output q underscore expected with the output which we are actually storing in this d tx underscore d. So whether we are getting expected output, whether it is equal to this or not, if it is equal, then what we are going to do is pass underscore count plus plus. Okay, and we are incrementing this, and let us write down the message also, take UVM underscore info. So within a begin and block I should write down get underscore type underscore name $is formatf. I will print the pass message, pass d is equal to percentage b, and q is percentage b, and q is also percentage b, and it's a match, I'm going to print it, and followed by it's a match. So we are going to have txn dot d comma txn dot q underscore expected. Yes, so this is a message we are printing. So this is a message which we are printing, and going to end this, else I'm going to increment my fail underscore count plus plus. Okay, and I'm going to print the message as error UVM underscore error get underscore type underscore name formatf. Here I'm going to write fail message. So basically in the scoreboard, we are basically comparing the output and input. In the D flip-flop, our output should be equal to input, right? So that's what I'm going to do. If they are equal, then I'm going to print the pass message, or if they are not equal, then I'm going to print the fail message. And in the report phase function, void report underscore phase, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically print total transactions, pass count, fail count, and I'm going to comma. So what are this total underscore transactions pass underscore count and fail underscore count, and UVM underscore low is my verbosity level, end function, and followed by end class. So this is my scoreboard. So scoreboard is a simple logic which we have developed, which is basically comparing our output and input. And if they are same, then I'm getting pass messages, and if they are not same, then I'm going to get fail messages. So that is how we are going to build our scoreboard. Now in the next video, we are going to see how to develop our environment and test class, and we are going to run our code, and we will see whether how it is working. Yes, so that's all about this particular video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel all about VLSI. Thank you for watching this video.